Четвертый класс. Английский язык. Звездный английский. Домашнее задание. Урок 42. Часть 2. Страница 98-99. English. Starlight 4. Homework. Lesson number 42. Part number 2. Page number 98-99. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 98. 98. Grammarland. Be going to. Собираться сделать что-нибудь. Оборот. Be going to. Собираться сделать что-нибудь. Полная форма. I'm going to swim. Краткая форма. I'm going to swim. You are going to swim. You're going to swim. And so on. Отрицание. Полная форма. I'm not going to swim. Краткая форма. I'm not going to swim. You are not going to swim. You aren't going to swim. Вопрос. Am I going to swim? Are you going to swim? Оборот be going to используется, когда речь идет о будущих планах и намерениях. Указателями времени в этом случае могут быть такие единицы, как tomorrow, завтра, next month, в следующем месяце. Утвердительные предложения строятся по формуле подлежащее плюс am, is, are плюс going to плюс смысловой глагол. For example, I'm going to go sailing tomorrow. В отрицательных предложениях not ставится после am, is, are. Подлежащее плюс am, is, are плюс not going to плюс смысловой глагол. For example, I'm not going to clean his room. Вопросительные предложения строятся по формуле am, is, are плюс подлежащее плюс going to плюс глагол. For example, are you going to cook dinner? Краткие ответы. Are you going to play basketball? Yes, I am. Not, I'm not. Страница 98. Собираться сделать что-нибудь. I'm going to take a sleeping bag. He's going to come with us. We're going to go on that plane. They're going to visit the museum. I'm not going to go camping. Are we going to go surfing? Yes, we are. No, we aren't. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 1. Read and complete. Use am, is, or are. Number 1. It is going to rain tomorrow. Прочитай и закончи. Используй am, is или are. Завтра будет идти дождь. I'm going to take my umbrella with me. Number 2. They are going to go dancing tomorrow. Why don't you go with them? Number 3. The weather is going to be fine tomorrow. Number 4. We are going to visit the National Museum. Come with us. Number 5. She is going to go sailing next week. Number 6. He is going to buy a new tent. Number 7. I'm going to play tennis tomorrow. Number 8. Emma and I are going to go to the Tina's party next Saturday. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. What are Pog and Tro going to do next week? Look and say. Что Pog и Трог собираются делать на следующей неделе? Посмотри и скажи. The answer number 1. They are going to visit Mog on Monday. Number 2. They are going to go dancing on Tuesday. Number 3. They are going to go to the dentist on Wednesday. Number 4. They are going to play tennis on Tuesday. Number 5. They are going to watch a football match on Friday. Number 6. They are going to Popsy's party on Saturday. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. What about you? Tell your friend. А что насчет тебя? Расскажи своим друзьям. The answer number 1. I'm going to visit my grandparents on Monday. Number 2. I'm going to play tennis on Tuesday. Number 3. I'm going to go to the swimming pool on Wednesday. Number 4. I'm going to go to the museum on Tuesday. Number 5. I'm going to go dancing on Friday. Number 6. I'm going to play computer games on Saturday. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 99. Exercise number 4. What are Jake and Jilly going to do tomorrow? Talk with your friend. Что собираются делать Джейк и Джилли завтра? Поговори со своим другом. Pack a rucksack, buy a map, go camping, buy souvenirs, go diving, go surfing. Number 2. Is Jake going to buy a map? No, he isn't. Is Jilly going to buy a map? Yes, she is. Is Jake going to go camping? Yes, he is. Is Jilly going to go camping? Yes, she is. Is Jake going to buy souvenirs? No, he isn't. Is Jilly going to buy souvenirs? No, she isn't. Is Jake going to go diving? Yes, he is. Is Jilly going to go diving? Is Jake going to go surfing? No, he isn't. Is Jilly going to go surfing? Yes, she is. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 5. Read and answer. Imagine you are going to go camping. Прочитай и ответь. Представь, что ты собираешься расположиться лагерем. Number 1. Where are you going to go? Number 1. The answer. Куда ты собираешься пойти? Number 2. Who are you going to go with? Number 2. The answer. С кем ты собираешься пойти? Number 3. How are you going to get there? Number 3. The answer. Как ты туда доберешься? Number 4. What are you going to take with you? Number 4. The answer. Что ты возьмешь с собой? Number 5. What are you going to do when you get there? Number 5. The answer. Что ты собираешься делать, когда придешь туда? The answer. Number 1. I'm going to go to the lake. Number 2. I'm going to go there with my parents and cousins. Number 3. I'm going to get there by car. Number 4. I'm going to take a tent, a sleeping bag, food and water with me. Number 5. I'm going to swim, dive, play badminton and sing songs near the campfire there. Let's play. Давай поиграем. Are you going to be a singer? Ты собираешься стать певцом? Yes, I am. Да. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.